To show you the top 10 richest people in Norway. We're going to start at the bottom of the list and climb our way up. I'm going to tell you guys how they started the journey and what they are doing now and their net worth. It's going to get good. And remember, like and subscribe if you haven't. And if you like this type of content, remember to tell me something in the comments. And at 10th place, we have a guy named Helge Møgster. His net worth is about 14 billion Norwegian kroners. He works with seafood and shipping. And he is a co-owner of Lære Seafood Group and Østfold Seafood, focusing on aquaculture and seafood distribution. And at 9th place, we have another guy named Arne Fredli. His net worth is 15 billion Norwegian kroners, 1 billion more than the last guy. His industry is finance and investments. And he works as a strategic investor with a focus on shipping and finance markets. And at 8th place, we have Gustav Magnar Witzøe. His net worth is 17 billion Norwegian kroners. His industry is aquaculture. And he is owner of a large stake in SalMar, one of the world's leading salmon farming companies. At 7th place, we have Ivar Tolfesen. His net worth is about 20 billion Norwegian kroners. And his industry is real estate. And he is the owner of Fredensborg AS, specializing in residential rental properties in Scandinavia and Europe. Now we are on sixth place, and it's Torstein Hagen. His net worth is 30 billion Norwegian kroners. Can you believe it? From the first guy, the last person, the 10th person, and this 6th place, not even top 3. And we have already doubled the amount of money. The first one was 14 billion Norwegian kroners. This one is 30 billion. Like it's a little bit more than doubled. So his industry is cruise industry. He works with cruise industry. He is the founder of Viking Cruises, a world leader in luxury river and ocean cruises. So we are now halfway through this list of 10 richest people in Norway. And at 5th place, almost in top 3, we have Stein Erik Hagen. His net worth is not that much more than the last person. It is 33 billion Norwegian kroners. His industry is rental and investments. And he built the Rimi chain and holds large stakes in Orkla, focusing on consumer goods and investments. Orkla doesn't only have toothpaste and toothbrushes and like that, if you just know that. They also have, if you have ketchup, Idun ketchup, it's Orkla, or tomatsuppe as an example, or some other soups, or that's also Orkla. And Orkla is very big. Orkla is like a company that everybody uses around the world. It's very big. And one of Norwegian's most famous products is a pizza called Grandiosa. It's a good pizza. It's like a freezer pizza. You put it in the and then you can eat it straight like that. It's very famous here in Norway. So now we are at 4th place, almost in the top 3. And in the 4th place we have Kjell Inge Røkke. His net worth is 36 billion Norwegian kroners. And his industry is industry and energy. He is the founder and majority owner of Aker ASA with investments in offshore energy, renewables, and aquaculture. Norway is very rich because of oil. And Kjell Inge Røkke, he is a big guy in oil. He likes oil. And finally, we are in the top 3. So at 3rd place, we have Johan Johansen. His net worth is a whopping 72 billion Norwegian kroners. He works with retail, and he works with major shareholders in Norges, Norway's largest grocery chain with brands like Kiwi and Mini. Kiwi and Mini is very famous. It's a very famous grocery store. It's good, and Mini has very good warm food. And finally, we are at 2nd place. And in 2nd place, we have Odd Reitan. His net worth is a whopping 92 billion Norwegian kroners. It's around 30 billion more Norwegian kroners than the last guy. He works with Reitan, like the last guy, and he's the owner of Reitan Gruppen, including Rema 1000, Norges, and 7-Eleven. focusing on grocery and convenience. Rema 1000 is one of the most cheapest grocery stores in Norway. It's very good food there. You get very good cheap groceries. It's good, and you probably know about 7-Eleven, our American brand, but it's also in Norway. And finally, we have come to the last and richest guy in Norway. And in first place, we have, drumroll, Jon Fredriksen. His net worth is a whopping 205 billion Norwegian kroners. He works with shipping and offshore. He works with leading global ship owners with stakes in tankers, offshore service, and seafood production. And did you guys see the difference between Jon Fredriksen and the last guy? The last guy only had 92 billion Norwegian kroners. The guy at second place had only 92 billion. It's not little money. It's not little money, but it's very little in compared to Jon Fredriksen money. He is, bro, 205 billion. It's like 100 billion difference. Oof. If you guys like this video, remember to hit like, subscribe if you haven't, and do all the good stuff. Share this video, and your likes, you guys' likes, help us make more videos about investing and economy.